Are you looking for a one-bedroom, one-bathroom condo in downtown Worcester? If so, this is the unit for you. 531 Main Street, Unit 507 is a one-bedroom, one-bathroom condo in an investor-friendly building. Freshly painted with vaulted ceilings in the living room and a city view as well. You've got public transportation right on the main street, and you're within walking distance from the Hanover Theater, the Palladium, Mechanics Hall, the Courthouse, City Hall, and right around the corner from Polar Park. It really is just the perfect location. If you're a first-time home buyer, someone looking to downsize, or if you're an investor, this is a great unit. The building is investor-friendly. The HOA fee includes a fitness room, a laundry room on your floor, and an additional storage space. If you'd like to see this unit, reach out to me today. I'm happy to show it.